Elevate your vocabulary. Likewise, similarly, and in the same way. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an important aspect of English language learning: transition words and phrases for comparing and contrasting. Specifically, we'll focus on the words likewise, similarly, and in the same way, which are used to indicate similarities. These words can greatly enhance your vocabulary and make your academic and professional conversations more engaging and effective. Let's dive in. Transition words and phrases are used to provide logical connections between ideas in written and spoken language. Today, we're focusing on likewise, similarly, and in the same way, which all signify similarities or comparisons. Likewise is often used to show agreement with a previous statement or to denote that the upcoming statement will be along the same lines. Similarly indicates that something is the same in one or more ways. In the same way suggests that something is being done in the same manner as something else. Now let's look at how we can use these words in sentences. Likewise, as previously mentioned, can be used to show agreement with a prior statement or to indicate that the following statement will be similar. For example, if your friend says, "I love reading science fiction novels," you could respond, "Likewise, I find them absolutely fascinating." Moving on to similarly. This word can be used to highlight similarities between two different entities or ideas. For instance, in a sentence like, "Cats are independent animals." Similarly, foxes tend to be solitary creatures. The word similarly is used to draw a parallel between cats and foxes. Finally, in the same way, can be used to compare two things that are done in the same manner. For example, John prepares his coffee in the same way every morning, just like his father used to do. Remember, practice is key in mastering these transition words. Try to use likewise, similarly, and in the same way in your own sentences. Start with simple comparisons and then move to more complex sentences. That wraps up our discussion for today. Remember, likewise, similarly, and in the same way are more than just transition words. They're your stepping stones to more engaging and professional English communication. Keep practicing, and you'll see the improvement in no time. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.